After several attempts to remove this viscous fan from the Discovery 3 diesel engine, I came up with this special tool which locks the pulley. I'll give you the measurements later. I've taken it up to a solid point on the bodywork here and fixed it both sides with a little lug. .36mm spanner on the nut, and it was very tight. We used a whole can of this freezing spray, complete waste of money, and finally resorted to heating it with the welding torch. Not something that I like to do, but needs must. And by the way, it's a left-hand thread. I took all the pipework and gubbins off in front of the fan, and I also took off the throttle cover so that I could get the spanner in nice and square to them. I would suggest that you make yourself a little cardboard template before you actually make the tool, because there's no guarantee that your vehicle is exactly the same as mine, and I wouldn't buy any of the purpose-made tools because they're really flimsy. They might be okay on new stuff, but not on 15-year-old vehicles. This is the tool I made. That's just pieces of scrap metal, around about 4 inches by 1.5 inches. It's maybe half an inch thick. The two holes are 2 1/16 centres. I think there were 13mm holes that I drilled nearly all the way through it, and I just removed enough metal from the middle for it to clear the nut. This piece of 2-inch scrap bar which goes up to those two lugs that were welded on in the appropriate place. Well, I hope the video helps. Please subscribe.